Hello there future ACCAs, this is Vishnu Vijay, a proud FinTram and your lecturer for the Audit and Assurance paper. So folks, today I'm here to give you a tool that you can use to effectively tackle the Audit and Assurance exam. What if I told you that there is a tool which you can use to understand all the concepts in an easy manner? A tool that can provide you with all the exam tips and tricks which is necessary to structure your answer in an appropriate manner in the exam. And a tool that provides you with all the memory aids to memorize all the key concepts from the Audit and Assurance syllabus. You would like to take a peek into that particular resource, isn't it? So let's take a look at as to what this tool is. The tool is none other than the Audit and Assurance Memory Chartbook.
Wait. It seems that most of you who are watching this video have not subscribed to our channel. You would miss the new videos and the updates. Subscribe now and press the bell icon.
So folks, as you can see here, we've covered all the syllabus areas of the Audit and Assurance syllabus in this particular memory chart, starting from the first syllabus area, that is Audit Framework and Regulation. And if you deep dive in, you can see that we've covered all the key examinable topics, from the basics such as assurance and other engagements through to the regulatory framework of auditing as well as corporate governance and to the professional ethics as well. Okay folks, and if you look at the content, we provided each and every content in the form of a chart so that you can easily grasp it. And more and about that, there are a lot of pictorial representations to understand each concept in the simplest form. And of course, if you have to memorize all the key concepts, we also have some memory aids provided to you so that you can memorize the key topics that can be examinable within the Audit and Assurance exam. Okay folks, and not just that, we have one more thing. What exactly is that? The examiner's approach, exam related tips and tricks. Okay folks, each and every important points that you have to keep in mind regarding the exam would be provided to you after each and every syllabus. Okay folks, so this is basically a full package that you would require to prepare for the Audit and Assurance exam, isn't it? So order your copy from the link provided in the description. Okay folks, so stay tuned for more informative videos. This is Vishnu Vijay signing off.